Today I want to share with you the Click and Grow Smart Garden. It basically makes gardening easy and accessible for people like me who don't know how to garden, but I still like eating healthy and making healthy decisions. But this takes care of all the hard part when it comes to watering and all that stuff and getting the proper sunlight and everything you need to keep a plant alive. This takes care of it, so I want to share with you my thoughts about this product and review it. I'll put a link in the description below for you to check out for yourself. So let's dive into it. First of all, this is the Smart Garden 3, which is kind of like their beginner kit, which is perfect for someone like me who's just starting out, but they also make bigger versions of these where you can continually have fresh plants growing at all times, where one of the cons about this one is you can only have 3 plants growing at a single time. And then once they finally grow, you have to swap them out and wait again until your next batch of fresh produce. So that's one of the cons about this smaller device, but they do have larger ones. But this is also a great way to get started into smart gardening if you're new like me. And also this one is pretty affordable. It comes in at around, I think, $100. And then they also sometimes run discounts where it's like only $75 around there. So it's really affordable to actually start eating healthier. So that's one of the reasons why I like this one, but let's share more details about this product. When this package gets shipped to you, it comes really nice and neatly packaged. It comes with your Click and Grow device. It also has the charging cord that's attached to it. It comes with these extension stands, which you can use to extend the light as your plants grow taller. You can keep extending the light so that there's room for the plants to grow. And it will also come with your plant pods, which I got basil and romaine lettuce, but you can choose from a wide variety of different plants. And that's it. You're good to go after that. The nice thing about this is you can get started right away as soon as you receive the product. All you have to do is take your plant pods and put them into the device, and then you can label the different plants you put in there, which is really convenient so you don't get confused what you're growing. And then basically from there, you put water in the device and then you plug it in to turn it on. It's that simple. It's really easy to get started right out of the box. Something to know is that when you get your garden set up and you plug it in, it's going to turn on right away and start running its cycle. It basically stays on for 16 hours and then it's going to shut off for 8 hours. So they actually recommend that you plug it in maybe in the morning so that way the light's not on at nighttime when you're trying to go to sleep or anything like that. To me, it don't really matter. Maybe it's a night light for me if it gets plugged in at nighttime, so it doesn't really bother me, but just letting you know that when you plug it in, it instantly starts running. So that's basically how you use this smart garden, but now I want to talk about some of the features and what I think about them. So one cool thing about this device is you can actually plant different items into each one of these pods. They don't all have to be the same thing. That's why it's nice that you can label them so that you don't get confused which ones you planted. Something else that I really enjoy about this is that when you get shipped your plants that you chose, it actually has a resealable container, which is nice if you don't want to plant all these 3 at once. You can plant one, seal it back up, put it in your cupboard, and then use it again later instead of planting all the same thing. So I really like that this is resealable so that it keeps your plants nice and safe and fresh on the inside in here. Is that a thing, like keeping seeds fresh? I don't know. Like I said, I know nothing about gardening. Another unique thing about this garden is that it's not regular hydroponics, but it's actually an advanced version, which basically what that means is it's really easy to grow these plants. You don't need to regulate the climate and the temperature. You don't have to use certain fertilizers or measure the pH of your water. Basically, I use tap water and then it's growing inside of my house. So whatever the temperature is right now, it's 70. It's gonna grow fine. It just takes the complication away from actually growing these things, and that's really helpful for someone like me. Also, this device doesn't make any noise. It doesn't have like a water pump that's really loud or anything like that. You can't even hear it. And also the nice thing about this as well is that it barely uses a lot of electricity. I think it says that it uses 85 cents per month is what you'll end up paying in electricity to run this thing. Another thing I forgot to mention is that this smart garden actually comes with an app so that you can track your plant's progress. And basically it's really simple to set up. You just add the garden you chose, and then you can basically input the plants that you planted, and it will give you a description of what you planted, and it'll actually name your plants, which is kind of funny. So my first one is Elfie, the romaine lettuce, and then my second one is Nicole, and the third one I think is Sarah Basil. So it's kind of funny, it gives them names, but it basically has all the description that you need to take care of these plants and all the information you need to access about them. So it tells you that Elfie, the romaine lettuce, will sprout in 7 to 14 days. You can harvest it in 5 to 6 weeks. It's edible. It tells you the temperature that it can best grow in. It has a lot of plant information. It comes with fun facts. It also has about the germination speed, and then it also has about environmental conditions. So a lot of information inside the app. And the nice thing about it is it tracks how old your plant is and then when's the proper time that you're gonna wanna eat it and harvest. Now this video was just to share about the product and how it works and all the functions it has, but I wanna make another follow-up video where I actually let these plants sprout up and grow. That way I can share with you how my experience was using it and how well did it work, did the plants look good. So I'm gonna make a follow-up video, so subscribe if you wanna watch that one because I definitely will make a video in the future. Overall, I'm really excited to use this product. I like trying to make healthier decisions, and when I come across a product that can make it easier for me to do, it gets me really excited about it because it's hard to maintain a normal garden with watering and spraying for bugs and all this stuff. This just takes all that hassle away, and you can grow it from the convenience of your home. I'm someone that lives here in Michigan and it's really cold outside in the winter, and so I wouldn't even be able to garden all year round, but now with this Click and Grow, I can. And I like that this makes the food that I eat fresh. It's not gonna have preservatives in it, it's non-GMOs, it's non-pesticides or anything like that. So it's really a clean option for you if you wanna eat healthier and you wanna avoid all that stuff that you might get if you ate from stores. I should actually start taking bets on these and like see which lettuce is gonna grow up first. Is it Elfie or is it gonna be Nicole? I don't know, put your money in the comments, you know, who do you want to win? Thanks for watching, I'll catch you on another one.